Welcome to Bellevue. I am glad to introduce to you my third lesson. Lesson 3 is going to take you through greetings and simple expressions you have to know as a beginner. Greeting is a very important part of our lives because it is an act of communication. Since we are learning a new language, it is good to know how to greet and at what time to use a particular expression. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the lesson. The first word is bonjour, and bonjour is translated into English as good morning or hi. So for example, bonjour monsieur. This sentence or expression can be translated as good morning sir or hi sir. Bonjour is a very flexible word and it can be used at any time of the day. It can be used when you want to be formal or polite. It can also be used in the informal setting. Bon après-midi. This word literally translates into good afternoon. But per my little experience, the French don't have the habit of greeting bon après-midi in the afternoon. They usually say bonjour or bonsoir. Yes, but you can use bon après-midi when you want to say, oh, have a good afternoon. So you can say passe une bonne après-midi. Yeah. So the next word is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. So when you meet somebody in the evening, you can just say bonsoir. Bonne nuit is good night. So saying good night in French is translated as bonne nuit. The next word is au revoir. Au revoir is translated as goodbye. The next expressions are s'il vous plaît and s'il te plaît. The two mean the same, please. But the only difference between these two sentences is vous and te. We use s'il vous plaît when we want to be polite, when we are talking to an elderly person, when we are talking to somebody we don't really know. But when you say s'il te plaît, you use it when you are talking to your friends, family, people you are familiar with. Yeah. The next word is merci. Merci means thank you. So it is a word we use when we want to show appreciation. The next word is enchanté. So when you meet somebody for the first time and you want to say nice to meet you, the best word to use is enchanté. Next we have à bientôt. So after saying au revoir, which is goodbye, and you want to add oh see you soon, you can just say au revoir et à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon. Next we have bienvenue. Bienvenue means welcome. But this welcome is used, bienvenue is used when you are receiving somebody to a place, welcoming somebody to an event or something. So, for example, bienvenue au Ghana. Welcome to Ghana. The next expressions are pas de quoi, de rien, je vous en prie, and je t'en prie. They also mean welcome. But there's a difference between this welcome and the welcome we just talked about. This welcome is used in response to a thank you. Okay? So when somebody does something for you or you do something for somebody and the person says thank you, you can simply say pas de quoi, de rien, je vous en prie ou je t'en prie. Yes. So the example is, in this example, Kofi did something for Amma and Amma thanked him for that. So in response, Kofi said, Je t'en prie. So Amma was like, Merci pour le repas. Thank you for the meal. So Kofi said, Je t'en prie. You are welcome. Next, we have Désolé, excuse-moi, excusez-moi, je m'excuse. They are all translated as sorry or I am sorry. The difference between excuse-moi and excusez-moi is excuse-moi is used in the impolite setting or informal setting. Informal setting where you are talking to your friends, your family, people you are familiar with. But when you use excusez-moi, you use it when you are trying to be formal or when you are trying to be more polite, when you are talking to an elderly person. Yes. Next, we have excuse-moi again and excusez-moi. They can also be translated as excuse me. Next, we have bon appetit. Bon appetit means enjoy your meal. Next, we have allô. Allô means hello, but we use allô when we are on phone. And we usually say hello when we are talking on phone. The moment you pick a call, you just say hello. So that is allô. And when you want to ask somebody, oh, sorry, pardon me, what did you say? You say pardon in French. Up next is bonjour. Bonjour is have a nice day. Bonsoir, have a nice evening. And then salut, when you meet somebody, you can just say salut, which means hi or hello. After talking and you are leaving, you can still say salut, which will still mean goodbye. The last two words, oui and non, are common to francophones and non-francophones. Oui means yes and non means no. Vocabulary of the day. The vocabulary of the day is la cuisine, kitchen. So in the example, la cuisine est petite. The kitchen is small. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to Bellevue PF and expect for more lessons.